Ball State Sports LinkedIn, presented by First Merchants Bank.
Hello and welcome to Ball State Sports LinkedIn for Thursday, April 1st. I'm Ryan Camden. Spring is in the air and that can only mean one thing: college football. The Ball State football team is back on the gridiron for spring practice. The team has been running through light drills and walkthroughs as it looks to improve on last year's 2-10 record. New defensive coordinator Jay Hood says his unit has one main goal.
Our emphasis right now is we got to make each and every kid out here better. And if we can do that, then we're going to be a little better defense. At some point, they all got a chance to step up and make plays. And that's what we got to see are those guys that can do that and get them in a position to do that come next fall.
There is a ton of action on the diamond as well, as both the baseball and softball teams open the home portion of their schedule this weekend. On Tuesday, the softball team closed out their non-conference schedule with an 11-4 win at IUPUI. Senior pitcher Elizabeth Million picked up her 14th win of the season. Infielder Jesse Ware paced the offense with not one, but two consecutive home runs en route to being named Mid-American Conference Player of the Week. The Cardinals open MAC play Saturday at 2 p.m. against the Miami Redhawks. Ball State baseball fans will also be able to catch their team at home for the first time this season on Friday. They open a 3-game series against MAC foe Miami. And after 23 straight road games, head coach Greg Beals is excited for his team to finally take the field at Ball Diamond.
Well, we're really excited to start at home and have our first home game here this weekend. And first 23 games on the road's been a tough haul, but we've made it through there and we're excited to get the home series started.
And if you can't get your fill of Ball State sports on the diamond, the men's tennis team begins conference play this weekend at home. They will take on the Toledo Rockets Saturday at the Cardinal Creek Tennis Center at 1 p.m. Head coach Bill Richards believes the team just needs to take it one match at a time.
We've had typically close matches with Toledo the last few years, although we have managed to come out on top. But our motto for the whole conference season is one match at a time.
If you would like to see the Cardinal Connection with Bill Richards in its entirety, you can watch it online at www.bsusportslink.com, or you can follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on all the latest SportsLink news, player profiles, and productions. Well, that concludes today's LinkedIn. We would like to thank our friends at First Merchants Bank, and for more information, check them out at www.firstmerchants.com. Well, for everybody here at SportsLink, I'm Ryan Camden, and now you're LinkedIn.